Let's automate everything using Claude AI. With just one click, your raw Excel data becomes a clean, perfectly formatted. Another click, all your pivot tables are ready. And one final click, your dashboard is built. Sounds crazy, right? You can save 7 hours of your work in 2 minutes. Let's jump in and see. So here is the data we are starting with. As you can see, it's not structured properly, messy, unstructured, and no proper format. Normally fixing this will take time, but today we are doing everything in seconds. Open your browser and search for Claude AI. Log in using your Google account. Copy the first prompt given in the description and paste it in Claude AI. In few seconds, it will generate a VBA code for you. Copy the code and here the real magic actually starts. Now go to Developer tab and go to Visual Basics. Click Insert and select Module. Rename the data module if required. Paste the VBA code and close the editor. Now we have created a button using shapes. Let's assign a macro to it and automate the entire process. Right click on the button and assign a macro. Select the clean and the format data and click OK. Now watch this carefully. When I click it, the message appears that the data is now clean and formatted successfully. Wow, this looks interesting. This would have taken a lot of time to manage the data to this format. So the purple theme applied successfully 8680 records processed. If you have done this manually, then assume how much time it would have taken. Now let's move to pivot tables. Normally, pivot tables creation consumes a lot of time. Now I will copy second prompt to Claude AI and it will generate a VBA code for me. Then we go back to Excel and go to Developer tab and go to Visual Basics and go to insert a module and paste the VBA code and close the editor. Right click on already created button and assign a macro. Choose create sheet and press OK. Click the pivot button and in 2 seconds all the pivot tables will be automatically created. If you could have done this manually, it would have taken hours of your time. Try yourself and experience the magic in just one click. Now comes the final step, dashboard creation. Copy the third prompt and paste it into the Claude AI. It will create a VBA code and copy the VBA code and paste it in Visual Basics of the Developer tab. Visual Basics new module. Insert a Visual Basics new module. Click Insert and select module. Rename the module if required. Paste the VBA code and close the editor. Now right click on already created button and assign a macro. Choose Build Dashboard and click OK. Click the button and see the final output. Wow, this is amazing. Just imagine how much time it would have taken to create this kind of dashboard. Hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.